Hey, so it's been a while. Long time. I got a little project I'm up to today and wanted to show you what up I'm doing, hey? Come on, yeah. I'm gonna try something. Experiment. No risk, no gamble, no reward, I guess. So I got my buddy here, he's my buddy. A machinist buddy of mine. I don't know what they were doing in their shop, but the forklift or a pry bar or something hit the handle on his what do you call it, on the carriage that goes across on his lathe. And if you look at such a super clean brake, God, I really don't want to braze. I do, but it sits on there so good the way it is. It almost stays put. I'm going to try to silver braze it and get that to, oh, somebody's texting me, get that to wick in there and hold. If it don't work, I'll grind it out and do something different, but I'm thinking it's going to work really well. Because you got a lot of high temperature, I got the high temperature flux for it, and you see how nice and clean I got that thing. I haven't released this. I have a secret weapon that helps me, and it's my secret weapon. Mine. Get out of the light there, Mike. I bought something a couple of months ago, many months ago, and I hide it. I hide it from all my guys. They know it's here, but they can't use it. I bought me a bead blaster, cabinet blaster, and I got all the paint and the gook and the crap and the stuff off of there. So she's right down to bare cast iron all the way around, so she's nice and clean. So I'll show you that some other time here coming up, but I'm going to see what I can do with this. I think it's going to work good because capillary action, I'll get it, that silver braze will get right into that crack in that one. And like I said, I can't barely pull it off right now, but that way I can. And if I get it in there, oh, and she wicks in there good, we're golden. Like I said, the handle comes out here. It's just for traversing his cross slide or his carriage. I don't know what you call it on the machine lathe. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. What do I got to lose? If nothing else, I end up brazing it with brass, or I've got silica bronze that I can try with my Heliart TIG welder, and we'll go from there. So I'll bring you back when I got her all shredded together. She'll be all sweaty. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. There it is, boys and girls. A handle all welded up. So I guess I gotta tell you the secret, or do I? I actually used what I said I was gonna use. I used the silver braze. I ground it so that there was just enough capillary action to, and I fluxed it and put it together and used the torch and went whoosh, that silver braze went right in between. So I got a good wetting, good attachment point. We're good to go. And then I thought, well, that looked like crap because I had it all hot and whatnot. So I remember buying this a while ago, silica bronze. So I got Mr. TIG machine out, and I thought, well, I'll butter that up, the silver braze, and see if it works. I don't know, it's kind of an experiment. Sometimes you just do stuff. And so that's what I did was I tried just to butter it up. What was there was silver braze, which is obviously silver and brass. And I thought, let's go one step further, man. Because we're men, we can just do experiments and that kind of stuff. So I took the silicone bronze, and it says it has small amounts of manganese, tin, and zinc and silicone. Okay, of course, it's a copper-based alloy. So I thought, well, I'm just gonna see if this stuff wets out. I've seen other guys use it in different applications, but all I wanted to do was make this nice and smooth on the top, and so I did, and boy, did that stuff flow really nice. You saw that right in the beginning. I'm really happy with it. I didn't have to heat the living tar out of it. It's cast iron, and it is just a handle. The handle is right here, and I got the dial all cleaned up that goes on the back. Let's see, let's do a demonstration, Mike. Okay, did you ever talk to yourself? Okay, that was all crusty before and it didn't want to stay on there, but that's, when you turn the lathe handle, you got a gauge there. So, got that nice and cleaned up. Got to put it back together. There's a couple of springs in the ball that hold this guy on there. So that's what I did today. I did more than that, but that's all I'm going to show you. It's been hard to get anything done, and yeah, long story, but that's what I did. Never tried cast iron with silver braze before. It worked like I showed you earlier. It was a really nice tight joint, broken real clean, and this isn't a high stress operation. The guy's just going to be turning the lathe handle to put his tool in the right position and then do his cutting. So I mean, why overthink it? I guess I was going to braze it like the old timers, and then, but look at that. It serves the purpose, man. So, all right. Hey, we'll catch you on the next one, and thanks for subscribing and watch my channel. It's imperative you watch it. I've been really slacking on putting out videos because pretty light in the shorts for work around here. I did go work on a Scorpion King this morning. Nothing much. Actually, it was pretty much a 15-minute fix, just because. And that's it. Guys, I was gone on vacation. You'll maybe see some of that. I don't know. And that's about it. So, take care. We'll see you later. Signing off.